Welcome to what a typical weekend night looks like for an American teen with my friend Jack Bedore, who is also a fellow photographer and what do you call it? Drone pilot? Is that the term? Droner. And we're hanging out on a Sunday night. We're gonna go drone, take some photos, go out to dinner, and just show you what it's like to be an American teen. Stay tuned.
I mean, look there. Whoa! So that's then you have hospital and all these buildings. And I mean, you got the water tower too.
Water tower, yeah. Then the bell tower.
Wow. It's like the perfect spot.
We got the
Means it's drone time.
dude drone o'clock. Oh! Oh! That's tough.
Everything in there.
Oh my god. Photography god.
I think I have too much, guys.
Shout out Jack Bedore for taking my profile photos.
Yeah, man.
Check out his Instagram. Pretty scrumptious. It's the vocabulary I'm looking for. Scrumptious selection of photos. We still got a little bit light left in the day, so we're gonna go try to find one more spot to drone, and then after that, catch dinner. Yeah. Oh.
Should we tell the camera what a typical American teen
Night is? Yeah, okay.
Around here, I would say, okay, well, I mean, I'm a senior now. What I did like sophomore year was I would just walk around campus and Franklin and Carbro and just hang out with people. I mean, that's when I just got into photography, so I was just taking pictures just then. So I was just like all these buildings, all these trees, everything around us. I mean, that's what I would just walk around for hours doing.
And then now, like senior year.
Senior year, I mean, I just so focused on school now, but I mean, less of that. And I think what mainly changed is I was able to drive.
Yeah.
Now I'm able to drive.
That changes things.
Yeah, because I mean, I live close by here, so I would just walk.
Yeah. That's one thing about like living in America is you can drive at 16, which is like not something that's common for most countries. I think, at least in France, I think it was 18.
Oh, really?
Like in America, like everyone just has their license at like 16, and so you're used to driving everywhere. So that definitely changes things for like being a teen, being able to go places. A lot of people, I guess not a lot of people, but some people party on weekends.
We don't.
We don't.
We edit.
Yeah, we edit. We film. We edit. We're on that grind. Yeah, a lot of people just like hang out socially. They'll go out to like dinners, go downtown.
Yeah, I mean, the thing
go to
is,
someone's house.
The thing is, literally, just go to Franklin.
Oh my!
Should I hit it?
Oh my god! You think it's gonna rev?
Rev competition.
Ooh, look at the wing.
Look at the wing on it.
Haters want me clap and chrome, it ain't easy. Haters want me clap and chrome, it ain't easy. Show 'em how to move in a room full of vultures. Industry shady, you need to be taken over.
And there's all of that new stuff. It's just a huge football practice stadium, and then
There used to be the track.
yeah, well, yeah, and then in front of that is the. Oh, shoot, that's Aaron Rollman.
I got him on film. Whoever Aaron Rollman is, We got you on film.
That's a former UNC basketball player. He is the most like ripped person I've ever seen. If he watches this, shout out Aaron Rollman.
Dude, what's up?
He doesn't know us.
But he will now.
Yeah. Wait, where should I park? I don't even know. I'm gonna try up here.
You don't have that special pass.
No, it just says no Lyft, no Uber.
Oh.
So that was for the game probably yesterday.
Straight down.
Straight down, yeah. But,
What do you guys say?
I want to shout out my mom. I love you, Mom. I told her, okay, so I was leaving to go hang out with this guy and she was watching the video, or watching Chapel High School first day. I was like, Mom, I'm going to hang out with Max, I'll give you a shout out. So, that's how I'm doing.
Shout out Jack's mom. I appreciate you. Thank you for creating this boy. This is cool. I didn't know they had basketball courts here.
Oh yeah, there's basketball courts in here. And then, yeah, that's just it. But
Wait, roll down the window. Claire! It's Max.
Oh my god, hi.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Filming a video. You want to be in it? You want to say hi?
Hi.
It's Ben Kern's sister, the guy who drives me everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
We're holding up.
sorry for the person behind us.
Are you filming on campus?
Yeah, we're going around droning and just like hanging out.
I'm Claire, by the way.
I'm Jack.
Nice to
meet
meet you. Good start office hours.
Alright, have fun. See ya. Bye.
Yeah.
Shout out the person behind us for not honking.
That's actually true. I was surprised they did not honk.
Wait, that was actually so nice. They didn't even honk.
Okay.
People in America are nice.
Yeah, let's talk
despite
about
what you think.
Let's talk about honking real quick.
Honking. All right,
So, let me think. Yeah, so I went to Morocco and France.
Yeah.
Betty's.
He's been where I've been.
Yeah.
Basically.
For a couple of weeks, or 1 week each. But so in Morocco, people use the like horn like it's their right hand. Like it's insane. They just don't care. But here, people won't use their horn when they're
Yeah.
mad or trying to get somewhere.
Or like if you're driving and you get honked at, you're like, yo, like you're trying to fight. Like it's like pretty aggressive to honk at someone. But I guess like in Morocco. This is no hate. This is just us observing different cultures.
Maybe I just came at an angry time. Morocco, by the way.
Yeah.
Chef
awesome
Juan,
country.
Beautiful.
So beautiful. Let me not ding this car. Yeah. Also, anything we say about another country is meant, in a very nice way. It's just purely observational from our experiences. So, no disrespect or anything. Time to go find another rooftop.
I don't know
Maybe.
if this has a rooftop.
I got that. For the video. You get that.
Makes sense. Just does not move. Oh, man.
Thank
There's
God.
just someone, there's someone just standing there. Like, oh.
Thank God no one was in the elevator. Imagine you're like in the elevator and some kid just comes up to you like, we're going up. It's weird how you don't feel an elevator going. You know what I mean?
That's true, unless you jump.
Stuck in an elevator for 24 hours.
That would be very, very bad. Where's here you go. We got Cherry Berry. What's your name? Cherry Berry?
Cherry Berry? Shout out Cherry Berry. Are we allowed to film this? I don't know. Shout out Cherry Berry.
That's in every single
really?
elevator in North Carolina.
Oh, there is a.
Oh,
Oh, look at the clouds!
Moment of truth.
Do it to him. Oh, it's open. Look at this.
You cannot see anything.
It's okay. We have drones.
That's true. That ladder that you're not supposed to climb.
Yeah. Look at the clouds, though. Shout out clouds.
The cloud.
That's true. It's just one giant cloud.
Whoa,
Whoa! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Come back! Get your camera out. Look. Oh! Look at the bird. This is like the biggest moment ever.
Gotta get the settings first,
Watch it like fly away when you're like doing your settings. I'll like cue the photos in right now that Jack's taking. He's gonna send them to me. Thanks. Wow.
Like literally the trees that like go over my house. There's been times where there's like these two hawks or whatever, eagles, something that
Yeah.
they just fly from tree to tree. like it's insane. And I would just go outside and just like really just walk around my house for like an hour, just trying to get the best picture. I got some cool pictures just in the trees, yeah.
Dang.
But like it was weird because it would only be for like a day and then I would leave. And then...
Whoa. Dude, when I was in France, I had like 2 pigeons outside my window.
Haters want me clapped and chrome, it ain't easy. Haters want me clapped and chrome, it ain't easy. Show 'em how to move in a room full of vultures. Industry shady, you need to be taken over. Label owners hate me, I'm raising the status quo up. Pay us like you owe us for all the years that you hold us.
Home location, Jack Door. Boom. Ooh.
Oh, what's up, man? Imagine. So I just chilling. Where's it? Oh shoot, a photo. I just call it one.
Just.
Let's call it one. Close the door. I made you. Open door.
Oh.
What's that?
Raising the status quo up. Pay us like you owe us for all the years that you hold us.
Well, that was a success.
That was a success.
Found a wild bird.
Found it.
And we got a drone shot. That one drone shot is nailed. Look at that. Look at that.
What?
And you took that.
I did take that helicopter ride.
Flex. Ooh. Not now.
So, most people on Franklin would bump rap music because that's a big thing to show off.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, show
rap
off
music.
your car, show off your loud music. But now we just do 50s music here.
Dude, 50 music all the way. Armadillo Grill.
We're gonna review Mexican food.
Oh yeah.
What about people? This is not really. Okay.
I mean, okay, Mexican food isn't American, but it's popular in America. Like in France, there was no Mexican food at all.
Let's also say that it's not authentic Mexican food.
It's kind of like fast food Mexican. So yeah, in the comments, let us know what type of foods are popular in your country, restaurant-wise. Yeah, I'm curious to know. This is what American money looks like. Andrew Jackson, dude, kind of like was bad.
Haters want me clapped and chrome, it ain't easy. Haters want me clapped and chrome, it ain't easy. Show 'em how to move in a room full of vultures. Industry shady, you need to be taken over. Label owners hate me, I'm raising the status quo up. Pay us like you owe us for all the years that you
So
hold
like
us.
analytical politics. Boom.
Oh, very good.
What's
I recommend.
what are you rating it, Jack?
Rating it.
Yeah, out of 10.
8.
8?
Might as well.
It's pretty
It's a good place. Yeah.
That's essentially what a typical Sunday night is for me. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
it.
that's what we're doing. Let us know in the comments what you do on a weekend night in your country. What's popular to do? Is it just hang out with friends? What are the activities? We're curious. And yeah, thank you for watching. As always, stay tuned.
Awesome.
Fire.